Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Frigidaire Upright Freezer suddenly stops cooling the way it should, begins acting differently, or you are trying to figure out whether there is a reset button, you are definitely not the only one. Sometimes people expect a visible reset option right away, while other times the freezer seems unresponsive after a power interruption or setting change. Depending on the model, a reset process may work differently and can sometimes involve power cycling instead of a traditional button. The best part is that there are a few simple things worth checking before assuming something major is wrong. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to check for a reset button and refresh a Frigidaire upright freezer. Try these. Step 1. Open the Frigidaire upright freezer and check around controls for any reset option. Step 2. Look near the display area of the Frigidaire upright freezer if your model includes buttons. Step 3. Disconnect power from the Frigidaire upright freezer briefly if no reset button appears. Step 4. Wait a short moment while the Frigidaire upright freezer refreshes settings internally. Step 5. Restore power to the Frigidaire upright freezer and allow cooling to restart normally. Step 6. Monitor the Frigidaire upright freezer and confirm performance begins improving again.